it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do my brows na parang natural and feathered lang tingnan. And at the same time, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this editorial wing liner para mag-pop out yung look natin kahit naka-mask tayo. By the way, if you wanna get the products that I'll be mentioning in this video, then I'll be linking them down in the description box below. I usually do my eyebrows first before my eye makeup and then the rest of my face. Because kapag nagawa ko na yung eyebrows ko, na-frame na yung mukha ko, and alam ko na kung saan ko ilalagay yung other makeup or what kind of look that I want to achieve. Basta nalapat na yung eyebrows ko. So, for today's video, yung ginamit ko na eyebrow product is from Maybelline, and this is their Tattoo Brow Ink Pen. And yung brow ink pen nila, guys, is ano siya, micro fork tip. If you wanna achieve yung microblading effect on your kilay, but you're, kind of like, ayoko nang magpa-microblade kasi nakakatakot. Same tayo, girl. Ayoko nang, I don't want to experience the pain. I just want a beauty part. So, gusto ko lang yung glam part, not the pain part. So, if you're like me, na gusto mo ma-achieve yung natural-looking bushy brows, but at the same time, not going through all that shebang, then I absolutely recommend this to you guys. And maganda to because this can really achieve like hair-like strokes and napaka-fine niya. I also use micro eyebrow pencils to mimic hair-like strokes. Pero yung problem naman doon is throughout your use of it, nagda-dull out yung pencil and it's not as sharp compared to when using a pen. And it's just not as fine compared to when using a micro fork tip. And what's also nice about using a micro fork tip is mas efficient siya because you'll be able to apply 4 strokes in one application. That's the nice thing about it, especially if you're a beginner. Not only it gives natural looking hair-like strokes, it's also waterproof and smudge proof. So perfect talaga siya now kasi mainit and we sweat a lot. It's been raining recently. So kapag naulanan ka, hindi ka matatakot na mabubura yung pangkilay mo with the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Ink. I also want to mention na yung pigment ng Tattoo Brow Ink nila ay buildable and soft lang siya. Okay, hindi siya matapang. So what's nice about that, hindi siya strong agad upon application. It's buildable, therefore hindi ka matatakot na one stroke pa lang or upon application, magbaboxy na agad tingnan yung kilay mo. Yan yung pet peeve ko sa mga eyebrow pens, and eto, wala yon, guys. You cannot find that issue in this pen, and I find that very beginner friendly. When applying this, kailangan pa upward yung stroke natin, hindi pa baba. Again, always pa upward yung stroke natin because again, we're mimicking yung hair-like strokes. Yung hair natin, if you observe it, medyo thick siya dito sa root and then slowly nag-thin out siya. So we're kind of mimicking that idea by applying on the root area first and then flicking it upwards. Yung flicking motion na yun, yan yung nagpapa-thin out ng stroke. So you need to practice that flicking movement. For my brow tail area, what I do is I just naturally fill it in with the same pen. I don't necessarily apply the hair-like strokes on that area just because medyo thick naman siya and easier for me and mas efficient for me to just fill it in. Pero yung important for me na nakikita talaga yung hair-like strokes is dito sa brow head area because yan yung area na medyo sparse yung kilay ko. You have to observe kung ano yung type of kilay nyo. Is yung kilay nyo ba medyo sparse on just a certain area or medyo sparse sa buong area ng kilay nyo? You have to determine that on your own. And that's it. See how easy it is to achieve natural looking feathered brows. And if you want to add more oomph to your brows, you can add a lash adhesive and apply it on your spoolie and then feather out your kilay para mas maging texturized siya and bushy siya. And since I felt like my look was kind of a bit bald, not just my kilay but my whole look was just missing something, so I decided to add a fun wing. This eyeliner that I have, kasi from Maybelline, is the type of eyeliner na pang fun kind of wing liner. So I decided to do this kind of little like double foxy wing. Is that what you call it? Double foxy wing. So what I did to achieve this wing liner, I did the usual steps. I applied on the outer corner of my eyes and on the inner corner of my eyes, except for the middle part. To achieve the foxy eye, it's important for me to not apply eyeliner on top of the iris area. It will optically look bigger and rounder kapag mag-a-apply pa ako ng eyeliner on top of the iris area. So I know some of you might ask, paano yun, Ate Booya? Kasi magiging putol tingnan yung eyeliner, hindi siya dire-diretso. So what you can do is practice nyo to thin out your eyeliner from the outer corner to the inner corner. See guys, napakadali i-achieve yung look na to. Not only it looks glamorous and editorial and quick to do, but it's very practical because it suits our day-to-day because the products are waterproof and smudge-proof. So that's it you guys for this quick tutorial and mini review of Maybelline's Tattoo Brow Ink Pen. Again, if you want to get the products that I mentioned on this video, then I'll be linking them down in the description box below. If you want to see me swatch and review Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink, you can click the iCard right here or the link in the description box below. Lastly, if you want to be a part of our community and be friends with like-minded people, we have a Facebook group and a Discord server. The links to those groups will be in the description box below. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And if you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.